Hello, my name is John Prine, Chief Line Mechanic A Hotstick with Niagara Mohawk and a member of IBEW Local 97. In March of 1999, you attended a safety stand-down, which covered the insulated parts of the bucket trucks and the precautions that the operator must follow in accordance with OSHA requirements. I would like to provide you with a reminder into the conductivity of the parts of the bucket truck, focusing on the end portions of the boom and the bucket components. The first item I want to point out is one of several manufacturing warning labels mounted on the bucket truck. It is so important that we're going to review every word of it now. Danger, electrocution hazard, death or serious injury will result from contact with or inadequate clearance to electrical power lines and apparatus. Operators must use proper personal protective equipment such as insulating rubber gloves and sleeves, hot sticks, conductor cover-up, and platform liners. Maintain safe clearances from electrical power lines in accordance with the applicable government regulations. Allow for boom, platform, electric line, and winch line sway. All metal components at the boom tip must be considered to be electrically connected. This machine does not provide protection from contact with or proximity to an electrically charged power line when you are in contact with or in proximity to another power line, ground, or pole. These warnings are consistent with and support our policies for covering all energized conductor contact points that we may approach while working out of our buckets. Let's take a closer look at the specifics. The boom's tip is made of metal for the purpose of structural strength. The fiberglass portions of the boom insulate the boom's metal tip and operator from a path to ground. All metal components should be treated as energized. The boom's tip, all bucket controls, lanyard attachment points, platform pin and mounting bracket, platform rotators and their controls, platform tilt system, jib and winch mounting bracket, and controls and jib pins are not insulated. Any operator who violates the manufacturer's warning, company policies, or safe work practices involving these metal components may become part of the circuit. This is especially crucial if there is a pathway to the ground or a pathway to a different voltage. Also, operators of the bucket must be very careful not to touch two different conductors or a conductor and a grounded wire or component because severe shock will result if their body comes into contact with them. On the boom, you will see a variety of fiberglass covers. These covers are not intended to provide electrical insulation. The purpose of the covers is to offer pinch protection and to protect the bucket truck from physical damage.
Hi, I'm Steve Nicholson, Fleet Management Engineer at Niagara Mohawk. The internal structural components in the boom tip of any insulated aerial device are and always have been made of metal due to structural safety requirements. Our aerial lifts must have a bucket rated capacity of 300 pounds, plus a 1,000 pound material handling capacity. To lift this kind of weight, the boom tip components must be made of metal. This cover has been removed to show that some of the protected parts are made of conductive metal.
Keep in mind that if any component of the boom tip, including the bucket controls, come in contact with another conductor at different potential, including ground, then the operator may be exposed to a hazardous situation. Remember, always wear all your appropriate personal protective equipment. Know your clearance distances, take an active part in your pre-job brief, and follow all safety rules and work practices.